morning, everybody. Myself, Bhanu Prasad from Souls Group. Basically, our Souls Group company we are into dealership management and for automobile industry for sales and service. We do training, coaching, and learning. So our company is based in Mumbai. Apart from that, we are globally present in the whole Asia Pacific, in Australia, South Africa, these all places. So coming to in India, our base location office is in Mumbai. And coming to myself, I have an experience of 4.5 years of passenger car sales. Like 5 months before, I have started the Souls Group. So right, shall we have a quick introduction each other? So in this introduction, you have to tell your name, your dealership name, your designation, and your experience and your hobbies. Shall we start from here? You start. You. Next. You. Next. Next. Wow. It's look to be you people have a good automobile experience, and good part you are all working from Mahindra Scorpio dealership from last 2 years. Hope you have a good knowledge of the variants and models in the Scorpio, and it will be easy to conduct the session also very easy, and you make people. So before starting the session, I request you please keep all your phones in a silent mode, and whenever we move to the next topic, please tell you people understood in yes or no. Please don't shake your head like this. I can't understand whether you people understood or so. Don't do all these head button attempts. Okay, so please raise your hand, or whether you understand, please tell me yes or no. And before starting this session, just we will talk in general how now the automobile industry is running, like on which models share. Just why don't we compare for our last 10 years and now how the market is there? Anybody? You. Okay, so if 10 years back, if you see, there is a good sales of the entry level segment cars. Which cars? Okay, Alto. Okay, Sandro. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, and how about I mean, why I'm really very looking to SUVs, because the very next session we are going to start on that. How about SUVs? Anybody? Okay, so Scorpio launched in 2002. Okay, good feedbacks. Good. Okay, so guys, okay, good. If you see the present scenario in the market, how about the SUV? Like if you see 10 years back, there was in the ratio of 100, the SUV share was achieving of only about 15 to 20%. But now for this financial year, if you see the ratio, SUVs are holding a market of 40 to 45%. In the scale of 100, 40 to 45. The reason, why this for every financial year, if you see the sales when compared to 11 and 12, for 12 and 13 financial year, there is a growth of a 42%. Can anybody tell why the reason this sudden improvement has been done? Anybody? Because change is happening, guys. See, why? Because by observing the market, the customer needs, manufacturers are bringing a compact sedan. Previously there was a compact sedans. When the sedans were there, like example, Verna was doing very well. Now, by coming compact sedans, they automatically the same way in SUVs also, a lot of compact sedans came. For example, in our own Mahindra Counter brought. If you see in Maruti Ertiga, so in this way a lot of, and if it's a very Renault Duster they have got, by coming these, the ratio had been getting improved because the price is concerned, because in the price of a sedan, C plus sedan, you are getting SUV with a 7-seater, very good technology. Okay, so guys, you now understand how SUV is playing a major role in the market. So previously, for example, when Fiat and Ambassador used to wear, they used to have only 2 models. A customer used to come, there was no like offers at the time, nothing, straight to booking. After for 3 months, the dealer used to tell, so this color we are going to give. Now the market scenario is very different. If you take example of 2003 and 2004 only, there were the major players like Safari and Scorpio and Innova. Anyway, Gypsy is no, because due to the fuel, due to the petrol engine, due to the efficiency, the people are more interested showing up the diesels. So in the present market scenario, what you understand? What is the major role? What you people understand to how to make our product very easy? What is the major thing? Anybody can tell? You tell discounts? No. See guys, if you start speaking on the discounts, customer will think by giving a discount, something कुछ है ये गाड़ी में बिक रहा नहीं, the discount. Anybody? Technology, right? Technology is a major place, but that is the next step. Yeah, some customers will be there where they want to know about more about the technology, then only they will take a decision. But if you take in a survey, maximum customers they impressed on the looks of the car. Anybody? I had given a hint also. What is a key role when in a sales process? Anybody? Presentation. Exactly right. That's presentation nothing but a demonstration of the vehicle is very much important. So guys, you all understand, you all know why we are gathered here. And before that, I want to a confirmation before learning make you of the demonstration of the Scorpio. I think you all gone through all the auto basics of Mahindra, where you know about the functioning of ABS, Campbell zones, these all things, right? Technology, what you have, what variants you have, right? Anybody? Okay, okay, chalo. You people are going through all auto basics, right? So now demonstration. Why keep in a general way? Why demonstration is very important? Why it's very important? Anybody? Chalo, I will tell. If you nowadays, if you go at USL, if you go to some shop, take an example of a shopper shop. If you want to buy a watch, see the person how we present the watch. Being it cost of 1,000 rupees, he will tell about the watch, how it is, how it value the dials, about those things. So when we are representing for the Scorpio, how we have to be, how the demonstration should be given. So guys, you are been from Mahindra from last 1 to 1.5 years from the dealership. May know like how you people giving demo to the customers, like on what aspects you are giving hi-fi, like unique thing of the Scorpio. Anybody? Sporty and muscular. Good. Anybody else? Anybody else? You tell. Okay, brilliant car. How brilliant? Hybrid tech. Okay, hybrid. So okay, it is a brilliant. So it is an intelligent car. Shall I put in that way? Okay. Technology. Yes, technology. Next. Okay, muscular. Okay. About you? Safety. Right. Shall I put all these words in it together? It will be easy to give when a demonstration. Shall I put in this way? S for safety, T for technology, A for adventurous, M for muscular, I for intelligent. As you told, it has a micro hybrid technology, and A for awarded. So guys, can you gather these all words together? What it comes? Gather all. STAMINA. Stamina. Exactly, stamina. If any customer comes to in a showroom and just you want to know about the Scorpio, if you go on telling like this, sir, vehicle come this, sir, this. If you tell in this way, sir, the Scorpio has a stamina in my car, so automatically customer feel he will be asking interesting about what is this stamina, right? What exactly I want to say is demonstration is a major role in the sales, where customer will get convinced. Customer never will not convince with the discount. If he impressed with the presentation of the vehicle, no customer will ask about the discount. Then he will sell to you. And again, there is a lot of competition in the segment SUV. And just now I told, in India now SUVs are holding a share of 40 to 45%. Right. So shall we start the demonstration? So in this demonstration, I will be telling you to how the fabbing of for a safety technology, how I'm going to tell. Okay guys, shall we start? Okay. So stamina. So S for safety, T for technology, A for adventure, M for mighty muscular, I for intelligence, and awards. So coming to the first part, when safety you speak with the customer, automatically safety means customer thinks safety, airbags unda, airbags hai kya? So how you have to tell in a demonstration of the airbag? So airbag opens in a case of impact or preventing the front passenger for striking the hard surface. So the advantage of airbag is this will prevent you serious injuries to the upper body. In this way you have to tell. So guys, you will tell about the advantage and benefits to the customer. As you all know about how the airbags function through auto basic ramps. No customers ask how they function. Just you have to tell about the advantage and benefit. And if you see for the next safety of the explain, the next is ABS, anti-locking braking system. How we have to tell? Anti-locking braking prevents individual wheel lock up, and it will thus skidding of the vehicle, especially on turns and in a slippery road surface. And the advantage of benefits of ABS is this helps maintain steering control and the enhanced safety for the passenger. So basically in ABS what happened, how you should ask the customer, sir, if you are going on a speed of 100, if anything, somebody came on the road, you will get panic and you will be apply very immediately brake. So this happens, you will be losing the control. So you will be thinking, so some future if you have the car control. So we brought the ABS, sir. It will help you. It will help to prevent the car locking. So there will be no chances of the car skidding. In the help of the ABS, you can maneuverable the steering. Where basically ABS what it do, it will do lock and unlock of the tires, where you can do maneuverability of the steering in a way where you want to go easily. So coming to next safety features of crumple zones. Basically these crumple zones are based on the side doors and the bonnet sheet. So these crumple zones basically help to observe the impact of collision, safety to the occupants in the car. So for example, how these crumple zones will be had. For take example of a paper, I will show how this crumple zone, sir, if any impact is, this is the passenger room, this is the bonnet part. If an impact happens, the same energy will transfer to the passenger. So there will be injury to the front passenger. So in this crumple zone, how it has been done in this way. In this way, these crumple zones are done in the manufacturing unit. So if take example of in this way, the crumple, the front bonnet also is known as the crumple zone. If any impact happens, automatically these crumple zones, it will absorb the energy here. So it will not allow the impact energy which has happening in the front. So in this way you have to tell about the crumple zones, have a side interbeam and the collar, and these are the safety features. So again you have to tell in the demonstration part first the safety features in which variant it comes. So the dual front airbags comes in the VLX and VLX 80, and ABS comes from the second variant SLE. And coming to the safety, crash protection, crumple zones, side insertion beams, collapsible steering columns are found in the every variant from the basic to the top end variant. So guys, here you have to concentrate more about the advantage and benefits to the customer, where customer will be impressive by knowing these things. Okay. So now next we will go to the technology.